Hi, I'm Adam Lyne. I'm here with EE for a special launch event. Welcome to Samsung Unpacked. So this is it. This is the Samsung Galaxy experience where they're showing off the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's go check it out. This is brilliant. This dynamic display is absolutely phenomenal. The game is running so smooth thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that's running in it. This might be the pinnacle of mobile gaming. I'm basically getting the same experience I would get on my desktop while playing on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're out at night on EE, the UK's best network, you can take amazing photos and videos using the power of nightography. If you want to get your hands on one of these Galaxy S23 series, pre-ordering with EE will get you double the storage and also a Xbox Game Pass Ultimate.